Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a new 2021 DRV Mobile Suites 36 RSSB3. Very nice floor plan. It is the smallest floor plan they're making at this point. So on the inside of this 2021 Mobile Suites 36 RSSB3 is going to have the latte cabinetry, granite fusion partial paint exterior, pebble for furniture color, and the aged asphalt flooring, along with a handful of other options that come in this particular model. But this is the 36, so it's a very nice floor plan. You know, if we're trying to keep it short but still have all the luxury comforts of a home on wheels going down the road, and or for a nice comfortable stay wherever your destination might be. So with this one, we have a nice dinette area with the pull-out table. We can add 2 more chairs. This one actually has 2 folding chairs to make it 4 at the dinette. Overhead cabinetry, dimmer switch overhead in the kitchen area. Lots of overhead cabinetry and lower cabinetry as well. With this interior color wood trim, we get kind of a two-tone. So we got dark trim with a light main. So it looks really, really nice. And then you go to the theater seating. Large windows in the slide. Round to the back with the couch that's a hide-a-bed, overhead cabinetry. This is going to have the hardwood valances above all the windows, so it's kind of an elite feature, but very, very nice. Notice the lighting throughout. Lots of lights, lots of plug-ins. Very well built, very well structured, and thinking of the RVer in mind, so you have plenty of plug-ins without running a bunch of extension cords because you only have a few plug-ins throughout. So you won't have that problem with this coach. Nice big appliance garage, big entertainment center, sound bar, fireplace, little pull-out area for a desk drawer area. Could be converted to a desk if wanted to. Dishwasher in the island. Nice backsplash against the back walls around the cook area. Residential size microwave convection. Big oven. Nice island sink, double sink. No seams, very nice. Insignia big residential refrigerator with inverter to run the fridge while we're traveling. Overhead cabinetry even above that. Nice pantry area in the middle with adjustable shelving. We go upstairs. We got the nice big heavy pocket door that's a nice big nice solid door through the overhead lighting in the hallway. This particular model is going to give us a place for washer and dryer if we prefer to go that route in the hallway rather than being in the wardrobe up front. So we still have a nice full wardrobe up front. Cedar lined closet, king bed, vanity slide. This one's going to have the heat pump on the main AC, Wi-Fi Ranger, keyless access with safe in the wardrobe, which is really nice. Big bathroom, big shower, porcelain toilet. If you have any questions, be sure to contact me. My name is Clay Thompson with Guarantee RV Center. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Make sure you contact me. I'll have the answers for you.